Hey guys, welcome to the workout today. Okay, we are starting today with altitude drops. What I want you to do here is I want you to hold the dumbbells and go up on your tippy toes as high as you can, and then boom, all of a sudden drop down onto your heels and hold that squat position for just a second. Okay, so we go up on the toes, drop, hold. Up on the toes, drop, hold. All right, good job, guys. We're going 10 reps on this one. All right, this is great for deceleration training and really bringing in the cuts on the legs. All right, next we are going to overhead high knees. I want you to hold those dumbbells overhead, keeping the core tight, and raise those knees up as high as you can. You're doing like a marching motion here while keeping those arms straight, okay? All right, nice tight core. Perfect. Okay, next we are going a quarter squat, front raise. That means we're in a quarter squat position. Okay, that means we're just squatting down slightly. Our palms are up, and we're just raising those dumbbells up even with the shoulders, okay? Perfect. We're going 15 reps here. You should feel this in the front delt or the front part of the shoulder. All right, good job, guys. Yes, way to work. Okay, next. Dumbbell shrugs. Okay, I want you to hold those dumbbells at your side, and all we're doing is basically shrugging our shoulders. When you shrug up, I want you to hold it for just a second before coming back down, okay? And we're just doing 10 reps here. Okay, we're working the traps, keeping those neck and upper back muscles nice and strong. Perfect. All right, way to get this workout in today, guys. This is what it takes. This is what's going to set you apart. All right, perfect. We are now going to the rear delt. Now, I'm giving you something a little special on these ones. Notice how I'm coming back, and then as I come back down, I'm doing a 4-second count, okay? So I'm going back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, and we're going for 10 reps on that. These are called tempos. What the tempos is going to do is it's going to switch it up. It's going to shock your muscles, and your strength will really increase when you're doing tempos, okay? Now, I've moved on to an Arnold press here, okay? This is a popular exercise. Yes, it was developed by Arnold Schwarzenegger. That's why they're called Arnold presses. And you are pressing it up, and then you're just bringing the dumbbells in front of your face, bringing your pinkies together in front of your face, okay? Really gonna feel that shoulder burn on those. Okay, next we're going back to another tempo exercise with reverse curls. You're just curling them up with a pronated grip. That means an overhand grip. And as you come down, you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, when doing tempos, you may have to go a little bit lighter weight than you do for a regular repetition, okay? Because it is harder to come down with that 4-second tempo. Okay, upright rows, another tempo exercise here. We're coming up at 1, 2, 3, 4. Up, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, good job, everyone. We're going 10 reps on this one. Tempos, once again, tempos are great for increasing strength, okay? Do tempos for a couple of weeks, and when you go back to doing just your regular repetitions, you'll see your strength will be up. All right, we're going overhead shrugs now. So this is kind of an awkward movement, but you're holding those arms above your head and you're trying to shrug your shoulders, okay? We're going 10 reps on these. All right, good job, everyone. Perfect. Okay, now we are going dumbbell abduction. Okay, we're just holding those dumbbells there, and we're just kicking that leg out. We're just alternating legs, kicking it out. It's a balancing act as well, okay, which means you're going to be working all those little stabilizers in the glutes, and this is really important as we start to age, okay? Perfect. Okay, good. Getting those abductors, those muscles on the outside part of the leg that go up the outside of the quad and up into the glutes. Okay, Perfect. Good job. We're going 20 reps on here. It's like doing 10 on each side. Okay, now we are going into calf raises. And notice how I have my toes pointed outward. Okay, we're going to do 10 reps with our toes pointed outward. And then we're going to do 10 reps with our toes pointed inward. Now, when our toes are outward, we're going to hit more of that inner calf. And then once we switch to right here, I'm switching to it. Okay, my toes are pointed inward. Now we're hitting the outside part of the calf. Okay. All right. So it's important to hit your muscles at different angles, and you hit just a little bit different part of the muscle when you change that angle up. Okay, and this is great. That way you can get the whole entire muscle. All right, good job, everyone. Way to work on this. Now, our last one here, we're going into deserter squats. Notice how I have a wide stance, and I'm just holding those dumbbells up close to my chin, and I'm just squatting down. Now, right here, I'm just doing like quarter squats, okay? Now, if you want to, you can squat all the way down to 90 degrees. That's fine. Great workout today. Go out and make it a great day.